Welcome to the tutorial for Eternal Prayer, AlgorKorea PSA app Personal Sound Amplifier. Warning: if you use a sound amplifier without a doctor's prescription, your hearing can get worse. Be sure to plug in your earphone or pair your Bluetooth headset with your mobile phone before starting the PSA app. Make sure your Android version is 8.1 or API 27 or higher. The output audio level may be slightly different based on the mobile phone's volume settings, microphone, and earphone or headset types. Let's move on with the tutorial. After downloading the app to your phone, please open the app. A warning will appear. Please read the warning and press OK. Start PSA mode. Click the Start button to activate the PSA mode. Please remember to wear a wired or wireless Bluetooth earphone or headset before usage. Although your headset may include a microphone, the app uses the built-in microphone on your mobile phone to get the input voice. Please read the warning and press OK. You can adjust the sound volume by moving the slider bars for the left and the right ears. Custom Mode button uses the auto-fitted result of the in-situ hearing test. The higher you move it, the louder the volume sound. Each can be adjusted independently. Adaptive Noise Reduction. Noise reduction buttons for the left and right ears. Click these buttons to reduce the noise from each preset mode and custom mode. Adaptive Noise Reduction reduces noise based on the surrounding environment. Please determine your hearing level using the built-in in-situ test. Please wear the left and right sides of the earphones correctly. If you click the in-situ test button at the top of the screen, the following interface will appear. This function is only available during PSA mode operation. In-situ test. Measure hearing loss level dB at each of 7 audio frequencies. The plus and minus buttons will generate pure tone sounds for 2 seconds at each corresponding dB, SPL, and frequency. The current hearing level of the selected frequency is decreased by 5 dB and a tone is played for 2 seconds. The current hearing level of the selected frequency is raised by 5 dB and a tone is played for 2 seconds. When the in-situ hearing test is completed, click Auto Fitting button. You can use the fitting result of the in-situ hearing test or input audiogram by Custom button. This result will be saved even if the app is closed and restarted. Stop PSA mode. Click the Stop button to stop the hearing aid mode operation. The app will automatically stop its output in case of incoming phone call. After the phone call is over, please restart the output by pressing the Start button. Custom Mode button uses the settings and in-situ hearing test for fitting. When you want to quit the app, click Exit button. The Eternal Prayer app will quit. Thank you for using our app. Send your valuable comments and suggestions for improvements to our email address.